Have you ever considered moving overseas? In this video, we'll explore the benefits and considerations of retiring abroad, including financial advantages, lifestyle enhancements, and healthcare options. I'll also show you some of the top destinations for retirees looking to make the most of their golden years. It might not be what you expected, so please stay to the end of the video. Retirement is an exciting phase of life, presenting an opportunity for exploration and adventure. For retirees seeking a change of scenery and a higher quality of life, living and investing overseas can be a compelling option. Financial advantages. One of the primary reasons retirees consider living and investing overseas is the potential for significant financial advantages. Lower cost of living is a key factor, with many countries offering a more affordable lifestyle compared to their home countries. Housing, utilities, transportation, and even healthcare expenses can be notably cheaper, allowing retirees to stretch their retirement savings further and enjoy a comfortable lifestyle. Additionally, some countries offer attractive tax incentives for foreign retirees. These incentives can range from tax breaks on foreign income to exemption from capital gains tax. By taking advantage of such tax-friendly environments, retirees can reduce their overall tax burden and retain more of their hard-earned savings. Retiring overseas can offer several financial advantages. Here are some potential benefits. Lower cost of living. Many countries, especially in Asia, Latin America, and parts of Europe, have a substantial lower cost of living compared to the United States, Canada, or Western Europe. This means that your retirement savings can go further, allowing you to maintain a comfortable lifestyle at a lower cost. Affordable healthcare. Healthcare costs can be significantly lower in certain countries, particularly in regions like Southeast Asia and Central America. This can be beneficial for retirees who may require regular medical care or want to stretch their healthcare budget. Tax benefits. Some countries offer attractive tax incentives for retirees, such as special retirement visas or tax breaks on foreign income. These benefits can help optimize your tax situation and potentially reduce your overall tax burden. Currency exchange rates. Depending on the exchange rates between your home currency and the currency of the country you choose to retire in, you may find that your money goes further. Favorable exchange rates can increase your purchasing power and stretch your retirement savings. Affordable housing options. In many overseas destinations, housing costs can be significantly lower compared to expensive urban areas in your home country. Whether you choose to rent or purchase property, you may find more affordable housing options that align with your retirement budget. Access to Social Security benefits. If you are eligible for Social Security benefits in your home country, you should have no problem continuing to receiving them while living overseas. This can provide a steady income stream to supplement your retirement savings. Lifestyle and leisure opportunities. Retiring overseas often allows you to enjoy a different lifestyle and access unique leisure opportunities. For example, you may be able to retire in a beachfront location or explore new cultural experiences at a lower cost than in your home country. It's important to note that retiring overseas also comes with potential challenges and considerations, such as adapting to a new culture, language barriers, and potential complexities with healthcare and legal matters. Make sure you take your time to thoroughly research and plan your retirement abroad to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and personal preferences and to avoid any potential surprises. Consulting with a financial advisor who specializes in international retirement can also be beneficial. Enhanced lifestyle. Retiring overseas opens up a world of cultural experiences and enriching lifestyle opportunities. Many popular retirement destinations boast favorable climates, beautiful landscapes, and vibrant communities. Imagine waking up to stunning ocean views, exploring ancient ruins, or immersing yourself in a rich tapestry of diverse cultures. Furthermore, retiring overseas often enables retirees to live a more active and fulfilling lifestyle. The availability of outdoor activities such as golfing, hiking, and water sports encourages retirees to embrace a healthier and more active lifestyle. Engaging with the local community, learning a new language, and experiencing different cuisines can also lead to personal growth and a deeper sense of fulfillment. Retiring overseas can be an exciting and fulfilling way to enjoy an enhanced lifestyle. Here are some key considerations and steps to help you plan for a problem-free retirement abroad. Choose the right destination. Research different countries and consider factors such as climate, cost of living, healthcare system, culture, and safety. Look for countries that offer favorable retirement programs, affordable housing options, and a lifestyle that aligns with your preferences. Financial planning. Evaluate your finances and determine your budget for retirement abroad. Consider factors such as the cost of living, healthcare expenses, taxes, and any potential currency fluctuations. Consult with a financial advisor who specializes in international retirement to ensure your financial plan aligns with your goals. Visa and residency. Investigate the visa and residency requirements of your chosen country. Some countries offer specific retirement visas or residency programs for retirees, which may come with certain benefits. Make sure you research the application process, required documentation, and any financial criteria you need to meet. Healthcare and insurance. Look into the healthcare system of your destination country and determine whether it meets your needs. Consider obtaining international health insurance to ensure you have coverage both abroad and for any trips back to your home country. Research local healthcare providers and facilities to understand the quality and cost of medical services. Language and culture. Familiarize yourself with the local language and culture of your chosen destination. Learning at least basic phrases of the local language will greatly help you navigate daily life and interact with the local community. Understanding cultural norms and practices will also contribute to a smoother transition and a more enjoyable retirement experience. Social and community integration. Seek opportunities to connect with the local community and expat groups in your new country. Attend social events, join clubs or hobby groups, and participate in activities that align with your interests. Engaging with the local community will enhance your sense of belonging and help you build a fulfilling social network. Tax and legal considerations. Understand the tax obligations in both your home country and your new country of residence. Consult with tax professionals who have experience in international tax laws to ensure compliance and optimize your tax situation. Additionally, familiarize yourself with local laws, regulations, and estate planning considerations to protect your assets and secure your future. Transportation and travel. Research transportation options in your new country, such as public transportation, local driving regulations, or availability of affordable taxis or ride-sharing services. Consider how you will travel back to your home country to visit family and friends. Research flight options and costs to ensure they fit within your retirement budget. Housing and real estate. Explore housing options in your chosen country. Determine whether you want to rent or buy property and research local real estate market trends and regulations. Consider factors such as proximity to amenities, safety, and the availability of services that cater to retirees. Stay open-minded and flexible. Moving to a new country involves adapting to a different culture, lifestyle, and way of doing things. Stay open-minded, be patient, and embrace the new experiences and challenges that come with retiring overseas. Flexibility and a positive mindset will help you make the most of your enhanced lifestyle abroad. Remember to thoroughly research and plan your retirement overseas to ensure a smooth transition. Seek advice from professionals with expertise in international retirement and talk with others who have already retired abroad to gather valuable insights and experiences. Healthcare options. Concerns about healthcare are paramount for retirees, making it crucial to choose a destination with reliable and affordable healthcare options. Fortunately, Many retirement hotspots offer excellent healthcare systems that are on par with or even surpass those in their home countries. Some countries boast modern medical facilities staffed by highly skilled professionals, providing quality care at a fraction of the cost. Additionally, certain countries have agreements with other nations that allow retirees to maintain their healthcare coverage or access healthcare services in both locations. These reciprocal agreements ensure peace of mind for retirees, knowing they will receive adequate medical attention, whether they are at home or traveling. Top retirement destinations. There are numerous appealing retirement destinations around the world, each offering unique advantages and attractions. While everyone's preferences may differ, here are 10 popular retirement destinations known for their desirable qualities. Portugal, with its pleasant climate, rich history, and excellent healthcare, Portugal has become a top choice for retirees. The cost of living is affordable, and the country offers a welcoming expat community, making it easy to integrate into the local culture. Portugal is also known for its warm climate, affordable cost of living, excellent healthcare system, and stunning coastal areas like the Algarve region. Spain, with its rich history, vibrant culture, warm climate, and excellent healthcare system. Spain has long been a favored retirement destination for Europeans. Malta, a small island nation in the Mediterranean, Malta offers a high standard of living, a favorable tax regime for retirees, and a pleasant climate. Costa Rica, known for its stunning natural beauty, welcoming locals, and stable democracy, Costa Rica offers a high standard of living at an affordable cost. Its healthcare system is world-class, and the country is renowned for its commitment to environmental sustainability. A peaceful and politically stable country with a tropical climate, beautiful beaches, affordable healthcare, and a strong expatriate community. Mexico, with its diverse landscapes, rich culture, affordable living costs, and proximity to the United States, Mexico is a popular retirement destination for many Americans. Mexico has affordable health care, and a diverse culture make Mexico an appealing option for retirees. Whether it's the vibrant beach towns of the Yucatan Peninsula or the colonial charm of San Miguel de Allende, Mexico offers a variety of attractive retirement locations. Panama, offering a pensionado program with attractive benefits for retirees, Panama boasts a stable economy, beautiful beaches, a modern infrastructure, and a welcoming expat community. Thailand, known for its friendly locals, delicious cuisine, low living costs, and stunning landscapes. Thailand is a popular retirement destination in Southeast Asia. Renowned for its warm climate, delicious cuisine, and low cost of living, Thailand is a vibrant destination for retirees. The country boasts modern healthcare facilities, including internationally accredited hospitals and a range of leisure activities to suit any lifestyle. Ecuador, known for its mild climate, affordable healthcare, low cost of living, and diverse landscapes ranging from the Amazon rainforest to the Andes Mountains. Belize, a Caribbean paradise with stunning beaches, English as its official language, a low cost of living, and a retiree-friendly Qualified Retired Persons (QRP) program. Colombia offers a diverse range of climates and landscapes, from tropical coastal areas to cooler mountain regions. This variety allows retirees to choose a climate that suits their preferences. Colombia generally has a lower cost of living compared to many Western countries, which can be attractive for retirees looking to stretch their retirement savings. Colombia is also known for its vibrant culture, friendly people, and rich history. Retirees who enjoy exploring new cultures, trying new cuisines, and immersing themselves in local traditions may find Colombia appealing. Conclusion: living and investing overseas can be an ideal solution for adventurous retirees seeking a fulfilling and enriching retirement experience. The financial advantages, enhanced lifestyle, access to quality healthcare, and a plethora of desirable retirement destinations make retiring abroad an enticing option. By carefully considering personal preferences, budget, and desired lifestyle, retirees can find a location that offers a perfect blend of affordability, cultural immersion, and a high quality of life. Whether it's basking in the tropical paradise of Costa Rica, savoring the charm of Portugal, indulging in the delights of Thailand, or embracing the vibrant culture of Mexico, the world is full of opportunities for retirees to create new adventures and make the most of their golden years. So why not explore the possibilities and embark on a retirement journey that promises excitement, discovery, and lifelong memories? Live and invest overseas for a retirement experience like no other. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. I'm publishing a new video every week to show you how you can actually make your retirement more enjoyable.